And away they go. Catalyst versus Banana Cat.
Oh, he's still alive. Oh, but
still living, but oh, that weapon does not feel great. Which I believe is on Banana Cat. That looks like Banana Cat. I'll call that one Banana Cat until someone tells me otherwise.
Oh, there he is. He still has weapon.
2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining on the clock as Banana Cat, like a punch-drunk boxer, trying to find their opponent. Their opponent finds them. Looks like this is Catalyst there that's spinning in the corner. Banana Cat matching the energy.
Somebody hit somebody. They're trying.
2 minutes remaining on the clock.
Almost.
Hey, there we go.
Woo! Look at him go.
Minute and 50 remaining on the clock. Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
He's doing better bounce on the walls.
Minute 35 remaining. As Banana Cat with its weapon just got a little bit of annihilation there. But Catalyst trying to make sure that they get their, that they're scoring enough points for the judges.
That was a pin.
We've got about a minute and 10 remaining on the clock as of right now. Minute remaining.
There we got a pin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release.
45 seconds remaining on the clock. We've got Catalyst versus Banana Cat. Can't see the names. That's okay.
All right, we got another pin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release.
Oh no!
23 seconds remaining on the clock. As they make their final case to the judges, is this going to go the distance? Yes, it is. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is the